Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where horsepower meets passion and every drive tells a story. Today we're diving into one of America's most iconic muscle cars, a legend reborn with modern firepower, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This is not just a car, it's a statement of performance, a rolling testament to Chevy's deep muscle heritage, and a final salute before the Camaro name transitions into a new era. In this review we'll explore every detail, from its bold exterior design, aerodynamics and lighting signature to the reimagined interior tech, loaded cockpit and aggressive engine performance that will cover handling, driving dynamics and real-world usability, while also looking at where the Camaro SS stands against rivals like the Ford Mustang GT, Dodge Challenger R2T and even some European coupes that dare step into its lane. Buckle up, because the 2026 Camaro SS isn't just about raw speed, it's about legacy, personality and the thrill of American V8 muscle in its purest form. Chevrolet has given the 2026 Camaro SS a bolder, sharper and more aerodynamic stance. From the moment you see it you know this is a Camaro, but it's also clearly evolved. The front fascia features an aggressively sculpted grille with blacked-out crossbar detailing, flanked by slim LED headlights that now use Chevy's Eagle Wing daytime running light design. The hood has functional heat extractors that not only look menacing but also channel hot air away from the engine bay to improve cooling. The side profile keeps the Camaro's muscular haunches intact but integrates more sculpted character lines for aerodynamic efficiency. The long hood, short decklid proportions remain classic Camaro, while flush door handles and tighter body gaps give it a more premium modern feel. Sitting on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, the SS communicates its track-ready attitude before you even touch the ignition button. At the rear, quad exhaust tips sit neatly within a reshaped diffuser and a sculpted spoiler tops the decklid. Slim LED taillights echo Camaro tradition but with a futuristic edge. Chevy also widened the track slightly, enhancing stance and stability. From every angle the Camaro SS radiates performance, a perfect blend of American muscle car aggression and modern aero science. Step inside and the 2026 Camaro SS greets you with a driver-focused cockpit that balances retro inspiration with modern luxury. Gone are the days of bulky dashboards. The new layout is sleeker with dual 12-inch digital displays, one serving as a customizable driver cluster, the other as a center infotainment screen powered by Chevrolet's latest Ultifi software platform. Chevy has finally addressed one of the Camaro's old criticisms: visibility. Thinner A-pillars and a redesigned windshield increase outward visibility, making the cabin feel less claustrophobic while retaining the cockpit-like snugness that Camaro fans love. Materials are upgraded across the board. Soft touch surfaces line the dash, Alcantara wraps the steering wheel and shifter, and contrast stitching gives the cabin a sporty but refined feel. Bucket seats, bolstered for spirited driving, are wrapped in leather and Alcantara with optional Recaro upgrades. Ambient lighting, now customizable through the infotainment system, lets you set the cabin mood from cool blue to fiery red. Tech lovers will appreciate features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display with performance data, a premium Bose Performance Series audio system and integrated 5G connectivity for real-time updates and diagnostics. But the Camaro SS never forgets its mission. Everything here is designed to enhance the driving experience, not distract from it. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro SS is powered by Chevrolet's 6.2-liter LT2 V8, naturally aspirated and tuned to deliver 480 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. For purists, the SS still offers a 6-speed manual transmission with rev matching, while those who prefer modern speed can opt for a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Chevy engineered the Camaro SS with precision. 60 mph comes in just 3.9 seconds with the automatic, and the quarter-mile flashes by in around 12.1 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 165 miles per hour, making it plenty fast for road or track. But it's not just about straight-line power. The 2026 SS features magnetic ride control 4.0, giving it adaptive damping that constantly adjusts to road conditions and driving style. Brembo brakes come standard with 6-piston calipers up front, delivering fade-free stopping power. A limited slip differential and performance traction management ensure every ounce of V8 grunt is put to the pavement effectively. Chevy also retuned the exhaust, and let me tell you, the SS sounds glorious. From a throaty growl at idle to a spine-tingling roar at wide-open throttle, it's the kind of soundtrack that reminds you why gasoline-powered muscle still has a place in the world. Yes, the Camaro SS is primarily a performance machine, but Chevy has added enough practicality to make it usable as a daily driver. The rear seats are still tight, no surprise there, but the trunk has been redesigned for a bit more usable cargo space. the ride especially in comfort mode is smoother than you'd expect for a car this powerful. Fuel economy, well, it's a V8, so expect around 16 miles per gallon city, 25 miles per gallon highway, decent for its class, but nobody's buying a Camaro SS for its efficiency. Safety and driver assistance are improved too. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning features that bring peace of mind without diluting the muscle car character. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS is a perfect send-off to an era that balances tradition with innovation, brawn with brains, and nostalgia with modern performance. It's unapologetically American, thrilling to drive, and designed to keep the Camaro legend alive in the hearts of enthusiasts. So if you're looking for a car that roars with history, drives with precision, and turns every commute into an event, the 2026 Camaro SS is it. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.